Hi KG1. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today I will continue Unit 2 in your book Connect class. But before I will go to the so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our unit to continue our unit today. Last class we started Unit 2 in this part, which is I will remind you with this unit in my classroom. I think we took it in we took it in Connect. If you return to the video that I explained this lesson, you can see, you can know what I explained in this part. Today it will be the same as we took in Connect. It will be in my classroom. What can I see in my classroom? I will make a quick revise on lesson 1 and lesson 2, and then I start lesson 3. Okay, here we have pen, pencil, board, sharpener, eraser, and table. This is the new words that we don't take it in we don't take in Connect. We have some new vocab, which is pen, pencil, sharpener, eraser, and table and board. We took it in Connect. Let's go to another item. Here is an important item that we talk about it last class, which is the vowel sound and the letters of vowel sound, which is A, E, O, I, U. Okay, A, E, O, I, U. This is called vowel sound. When we say an apple, here is apple. There is an ice cream, an egg, the umbrella, orange. So here we have this called a vowel sound. A, E, O, I, U. Let's go to another one. We took what is this, and I think this I explained in Connect. We can return to the Connect and see what I told you. What I told you. This is what is this to talk about something. When you say this is a pen, this is a pencil, this is a board, and so on. Okay, this is lesson 1 that we took it last class. Lesson 2, sorry. We took lesson 2 and we talk about what? About numbers, with numbers in letters and numbers in digits. I think we took this in mathematics. If you return to the mathematics, you can see. So we took it numbers in digits and numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can say, Miss Iman, can I keep the numbers in digits and the letters? Yes, it's important to do so. And I think you took it in mathematics as the same. Okay, it's not difficult to study it. Okay, to keep it. Okay. Let's go today to lesson 3 to know a new lesson in lesson 3. In this lesson, we talk about what? We talk about there are to talk about what? Numbers. When we say, I say how many. When we say how many, I ask about numbers. I would like to say to explain in separated paper to know it with me. Here we have. Here is how many. Here is how many. How many? How many? We use how many for what? We use how many to ask about what? About numbers. Talk about what? To talk about numbers. Okay. When we say how many, I will give you an example. How many chairs are there? Or can say how many chairs, for example. Chairs are there, okay, to say how many chairs are there. And I put here a question mark here in this part with a question mark. There is a question mark, yes. There is a question mark. We say, can say there are, we say there are, can say there are, here is we say there are 4 chairs, for example. For example, not four chairs. 4 chairs. Okay, you can say 4 chairs. And I would like to say something. If the number is more than 1, we're adding what? We're adding s to it, like this. Okay. I would like to to underline this one. Underline it. So, chairs. Here is chairs. Okay. Here is chairs. Okay, put s here. Okay, put s here. So here when we talk about what? About plural. So when I talk about plural, I put s to the noun. Let's go to another one here. Another one here. Here we talk about when I ask about one, we say how many books. You say how many books are there, for example, are there. I would like to say there is one book. What can I write it? I can say there is a book, there is one book. There is one book. There is one book. Okay, there is one book. So here we don't have s. Here we don't have s. Why? Because one here is singular. So we can put s here. Okay. So here is there is, and I can't put s here. Why? Because it's singular here. Okay. So there is a difference between here. There are 4 chairs. Chairs here. Why? Because here is plural. Here is plural. Okay. Here is plural. There is plural and there is singular. Okay, and there is singular. Okay, there is the difference between this and this. Okay, you must know the difference between singular and plural. Here we say there are 4 plural and there is 4 singular. And when we ask about how numbers, I say how many. Okay, this is what I would like to explain here in this part. Let's go to our lesson today. To resume our lesson today. As we explain here, as we explain here, we say there is one. When we say singular, to say there is one pencil, one sharpener. So here there is 4 what? 4 singular. Here we have there are 4 plural, like this: pencils, sharpeners, and so on. Let's go to another one here. How many pencils are there? There are 5 pencils. How many tables are there? There is 1 table. So here we have is. Why we don't have s here? Don't have s here. Why? Because it's singular now, not a plural. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. There are 2 chairs. Which one? 2 chairs here. This one by this one. There are 3 tables. Which tables? This one by this one. 5 pencils. I can count it with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count before you answer. This one by this one. Okay. You can say we replace this video, Miss Iman, to mathematics lesson. Replace it to mathematics, but you can, before you answer the question, here is 5, so you can count 5 to answer the question in correct way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I select this one by this one. There is one board. Which one board? This one by this one. Now, clever pupils. I'm listening. You say this man. One board. 5 erasers. Which one? 5 erasers. I counted with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I select this one by this one. Let's go to another question here. Here we have, as we explained in the last page, we say if we have S, we put what? We put R. Like this. There are. There is 1 eraser, singular or plural, singular. So I select is. 1 sharpener, it will be is. Why is? Because there is one, not more than 1. 3 pencils, so it will be there are. Let's go to another one here. To another question here. Here we have, can count and choose the correct one. Here we have There it will be there are space chairs. Not I think this is chair. I think it's not chairs. Tables. Means printing here. As you write it, I will do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So the answer it will be 3. Not chairs. It's table. Okay. It's not. Can do it. Okay. But you can change it by table, not chairs. There are 5 or 4 pencils. I will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer it will be 5. Here is eraser. I count the erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it will be here 6 erasers. Pin. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be 9. I will count it again if I count in wrong, if you have a wrong number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer it will be 9. Let's go to another one here. How many pencils are there? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer it will be 5. This one. How many sharpeners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 8. Let's go to another one. How many pins are there? 1, 2, 3. It will be 3. So I select this one. Erasers. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be this one. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is the shapes. I think we took it in mathematics. Triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3 sides. There is a circle, round. The circle is round. The square. How many sides are in square? Have 4 equal sides. I think we took it on in mathematics also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 equal sides. Rectangle. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. 2 short sides. 1, 2, and 2 long sides. 1, 2. Okay. Let's go to another one here. The eraser is a rectangle, but the sharpener is a circle. Let's go to answer the question below this. Here is triangle. Which one is triangle? This one by this one. Square, this one by this one. Rectangle, this one by this one. Square, circle, this one by this one. Here is we have, look at circle. Rectangle, which one is rectangle? This one. Triangle, this one by this one. Circle, this one by this one. Square, this one by this one. Here is we can count and answer the question here. Here is right 5 square. Let's count the squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5. Triangle, I can count the triangle. 1, 2. It will be 2. So I write here 2. Okay. I answer one of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is circle. How many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 8 circles. Okay. So you know that it's 8 circles. Rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. We have a mistake here in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is 9. Not 8, it will be 9. Okay, because we have a big circle here. Okay, so it will be 9. Okay, you can count and answer by yourself. I will leave this book, the link of this book below the video to download it and answer again. Okay, let's go to another next question here. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here is rectangle, square, triangle, and circle. Here is the shapes of things that we use it. You can say if it's square or circle or anything. What is this? It's eraser. The shape of eraser, it will be what? It will be rectangle. So I select this one. Table. The table here, is it? You can see the table as a triangle or square? No, square. I can choose sharpener. It circle. Both it rectangle. Here is lesson 5. Let's go to lesson 5. This is called capital M and small m. I will write it here, capital M and small m. I will give you this in Connect. If you turn to the video of Connect, you can see. So, okay, you can watch. You can see how to write capital M and small m. There is capital M and small m. Capital M and small m. Let's go to another one here. Here we have capital M and small m. Here we say, in this part, say find capital M and small m. Which capital M here? Capital M, small m, capital M, small m. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3, capital letter. 4 and 5 is small letter. 6 you have, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be here. This is M, capital M. This is capital M. This is capital M. Okay. Small m. This is capital M, small m. This is small m, and this is a small m. Here is we have color the mouse. I think so. Color the mouse. Here is what? Here is mouse, Maha, and classroom. This is the letter M. Capital M here, small m here. Classroom. Here is classroom, Maha, and mouse. We have mouse, Maha, and classroom. I have a lovely teacher called Maha, so I love the name of Maha very much. So Maha is an important name for me. So Maha, I love this name. So it would be Maha, mouse, and classroom. Okay. There is capital N and small n. There is capital N and small n. Okay. There is capital N written like this. Capital N and small n. Capital N and small n. Let's go to continue the rest of the lesson. Our lesson today. Here is we find here capital N and small n. Let's go to know it here. There is capital N, capital N, capital N. Which is small n? Which is small n? This small n and small n. Here is capital N, capital N, capital N, capital N, small n, small n, small n. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is nurse. You can color it. I leave the color to do it by yourself. I think you are creative in doing this this task. Okay. Here we have nurse, Noor, and Bin. As we told you, grade KG1. That is a rule that must be known until you grown up. That the names must be written in capital letter. When we say Noor, when we say Maha, for example, Maha, Noor, Iman, and the names of persons must be written what? In capital letter. Must be written in capital letters. The rule, you must know it grade, KG1. Okay, let's continue the rest of I hope to be in grade later. Okay, here we have nurse, Noor, and Bin. Okay, let's answer this exercise together. Maha, which one is Maha? This one by this one. This one by this one. This is Maha. Which one? Classroom. What is the classroom here? This one by this one. Mouse, this one by this one. Pin, this one by this one. Bin, this one by this one. Nurse, this one by this one. I select number 5. Select number 5 by this one. Let's go to another one here. Here is we have a question. What is the missing letter? It will be nurse. This letter. This letter. What is the missing letter here? It will be M. Bin, I will select this one. Classroom, it will be M. Here is Maha, I will select this one, Maha. Here is what? Noor, I select this one. Let's go to another one here. Put M or N. Here we have what? Here we have, it will be what? It will be N. It will be here, mouse. It will be pin. It will be classroom. We answered the same exercise in the previous previous question. Okay, I think you answered before. Okay, but I repeat it again. I will leave it to do it by yourself. Okay, I answered, and I will leave it to do it by yourself. Here is we have classroom written like this. Classroom written like this. Classroom. It's called classroom written like this. Classroom. I will write 2 words, and I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Here is classroom written like this. Here is pin written like this. Let's go to another one here. Let's continue the rest of the exercise depend on this part. I would like to don't answer all. Why? Because I would like to make the video longer, to make the video shorter, not longer, to be easy to review again. Okay, here is M. Here is color the words that have letter M. Which one they have letter mouse? So I select this one. I color this one. M. Classroom M here. So eraser not pen. It's not. So I colored this one and this one only. Okay. Here is I will give a brief in this part, and I will next class I will continue. There is lesson 6. People who helps us. This is the people that have jobs that help us. Okay, in our society, or we say surface job, surface jobs. Okay, that like what? Like teacher, librarian, nurse. A teacher helps me write. A teacher helps me write. Librarian helps me find books. There is a librarian in the library. Okay, librarian. A nurse helps me feel better. Okay. Today I'll stop here in this part. Next class I will continue. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.